Hi, all the viewers of India Guilds. This is Archana Kavi, and as you all know, Backbench Student is going to release on 15th, and this is my first Telugu movie, and I'm super excited and totally looking forward to a career in Telugu. My character is very bubbly, and she's a college-going student, and I'm playing opposite Mahat, and like what to say, it's a new experience and it's a love story and it's fun movie, and I owe a lot to Sridhar sir. Because of him I'm into this project. And talking about Sridhar sir, he's like one of the best directors I have worked with. He's full of energy, life, and as we say, it's a youth movie. This team is full of youth people, and I don't want to say this is the best movie because I want you people to say it. So just wait for 15th, and I hope you all like the film. Mahat, my co-star, he's one of really sweet guy. He's really helped me a lot, and I think. Is very hardworking person, and I'm sure he'll be somewhere here listening to all this and being very happy about it. But as a person, he's very good, very hardworking, and I'm sure he's going to have a wonderful career in Telugu and Tamil. Like Priyanka and Chetra just had one scene together in the film, so there was no coordination required. And it's like, as far as Priyanka, I mean, Pia is concerned, Pia is a very senior artist, and I've seen her work, and I'm huge fan of hers after Co. So and Goa. So it's really wonderful that I could work with her, and she has a nice energy. The one scene which we had together, she's one of those person who would give you energy, who would give you tips and everything to improve your work, and I had a wonderful time working with her. The best thing about this film is it's a college subject, it's a love story, but all the college going kids will like it. They'll connect to the movie. But more than that, all the pass outs, all the even my father's age group, all those people who have gone through a college life will definitely sit back and enjoy their time. So that is one thing which I liked about the film, that everybody, any age group will connect to this project, this film. And it's a love story. It's something which you would like to go watch and take home. Archana was not a backbench student, but she was not a front bench student also. She was in the middle. I have a lot of backbench students as friends, and I think the backbenchers are the people who do really good in life. Like once they are out of college or school, they are the best. Um, See, the whole film is very light-hearted film. It has a strong message, but it's a very light-hearted film, and it's very relaxed, a very sweet film. But the comic element, we have Brahmanandan sir and Ali sir. But in total, I think the whole film you will be sitting and relaxing, laughing, crying a bit. Everything is like perfect. Okay, there is 6 songs in total. I'm part of 3 songs, and if you ask me, my favorite song is Jagada Jagada without any doubt. And as far as Sunil is concerned, Sunil is very young guy, and the best part about Sunil is that each song has its own variety. Nothing is similar to each other. Each one has its own character, and he's gonna be the superb music director in future. Sridhar sir, okay. Sridhar sir, like when I hear his name itself, I feel like a very warm person coming. He is a director of the film, but he's a brother, he's a friend, he's like everything to us. Like we were like one backbench team. Like we were all fun, hilarious team. But I think sir was the only backbone of the project, and he's a very nice person, and I'm looking forward to working with him in future. I hope you all will like Backbench Student, and I hope you all will receive me as actor in Telugu. And we have put in our heart and soul into the project, and I really hope that you like us. Thank you.